Hosting a virtual conference? Feeling overwhelmed? Hosting a great virtual conference can be a real challenge. It's time-consuming. There are endless tools to choose from, and many event organizers don't even know where to start. From technical issues to attendee engagement, the hurdles seem endless. But don't worry, you're not alone. vFairs has a comprehensive guide for hosting a successful virtual conference, and you can find the link in the description below to help make your event run smoothly. Now, let's dive into 5 essential tips to help you host a great virtual conference that engages attendees, runs seamlessly, and delivers results. Tip number 1, choose the right platform. The first step in hosting a successful virtual conference is choosing the right platform. It needs to be reliable, user-friendly, and offer features like live streaming, interactive networking, and easy registration. The platform you choose should make it simple for your attendees to access content and for you to manage everything on the back end. Make sure you pick a platform that can handle high traffic, provides real-time support, and offers tools that will enhance your event's engagement. Tip number 2, create a clear and engaging agenda. A clear and engaging agenda is key to keeping your attendees focused and excited. Ensure you outline every session, the speakers, and the timing in advance. Include interactive elements like Q&A sessions, polls, or live chats to keep your audience engaged throughout the event. Don't forget to share this agenda ahead of time and stick to the schedule to maintain momentum. Tip number 3, promote networking opportunities. Networking is one of the top reasons people attend conferences. Even virtually, it's essential to offer networking opportunities. Include virtual lounges, breakout rooms, and one-on-one meeting capabilities. Encourage meaningful interactions by setting up structured networking events, like speed networking or roundtable discussions. A well-connected audience will not only enjoy your event more, but will also be more likely to return for future events. Tip number 4, ensure a smooth technical setup. Nothing will lose your audience's attention faster than technical issues. It's critical to do a dry run with all your speakers and moderators to check for any glitches. Test your audio, video, and platform features well in advance, so everything runs smoothly on the big day. You should also have a backup plan in place in case of tech issues, like a support team ready to troubleshoot on the fly. Tip number 5, engage your audience throughout the event. Virtual events often face the challenge of audience disengagement. Keep your attendees hooked by incorporating interactive features like live polls, Q&A sessions, and real-time chats. You can also use gamifications like leaderboards or challenges to make the event more fun and interactive. Remember, engagement doesn't stop when a session ends. Encourage attendees to keep interacting through event apps, discussion boards, and social media. Ready to host your virtual conference? Now you're equipped with these 5 tips to make your virtual conference a success. Ready to get started? Don't forget to grab vFairs' complete guide to hosting a virtual conference from the description below. We hope these tips help you create an engaging, memorable, and well-organized event. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more event tips. Download the full guide below. Visit the link in the description for your free guide.